Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we'll discuss about the LTIMindtree test pattern. So the complete sections that was included in the in the test assessment. So that's the first round. So once you apply for this, the round 1, it will be the assessment, so which will be online, and the role, it is Java full stack developer, that is Java plus React. And the test platform, so it is VCP, and the test duration, so it is for 90 minutes. And so number of sections that are included in this assessment is 5 sections. So the section 1, so it's on Java hands-on, so there will be a number of questions included under this section is 1. So the complete code will be given, and your task is that you just need to fix the bugs in the code. First you are supposed to run the code, and then when you are submitting the code, you will find that some of the hidden test cases will be failed, and you can see it gives an runtime error. So you need to go to that method, and you need to check which piece of code is giving error, and you are supposed to fix that, and again you are supposed to run those test cases and make sure everything is working fine. So all the hidden test cases needs to be passed. So this will be under first section, that is Java hands-on. It's purely you need to fix the bugs, no need to write any function method and all. So just everything will be given, just you need to spot the error in the code, and you need to make sure that all the test cases will be passed. So this will be under section 1. And coming to the section 2, that is React hands-on. So under this section also number of questions will be 1, and in this case also the complete project will be there, and there will be the .js files will be there, and in this section your task is that you need to complete some of the code. So around 2 to 3 files, .js files, they'll mention it. You need to do the simple task fetch the records in React, and complete method, everything will be given. And some piece of code, they'll add the comment mentioning in this part of in the part of code, you are supposed to get the records based on that property. So like this they will mention, and your task is that you need to complete that incomplete code. So half of the code will be there, and the remaining part of the code you are supposed to complete. So everything, it will be mentioned point wise, for under which project or which file you are supposed to do the changes, and under which method, and what are the changes you need to do. So everything will be mentioned. So around 4 files you are supposed to do the changes, and also you need to test that, and the UI, whether it is working fine or not. So all the steps will be mentioned in that. So you need to make sure that whatever they have mentioned, so the UI, it should display as per they mention. So this will be under section 2. And coming to the remaining section, so it will be purely MCQ questions. So section 3 will be Java MCQ questions. So number of questions, so there will be 8 MCQ questions, so which is mix of code snippets, so predict the output of the code, and a mix of questions. And after that, section 4, it will be React.js fundamentals, so purely MCQ related to the React.js fundamentals. So number of questions will be 6 questions. And section 5, so the state management in the React, so around 7 different questions will be there related to that. So these are the 5 different sections which will be included in this assessment. So you can if you are preparing for this particular role, you can go to this video, and if you need questions for the same, you can join the Telegram group, and you can comment in the video, so we'll provide there. So these are the details about this assessment. So make sure you go to the video before taking the test, so that you'll get the idea about each of the sections, and complete idea about this particular assessment. So do watch the video completely, and do like the video. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.